Oh man.
Boo! This is my motherfucking cooking channel. I usually don't do this shit, but I'm high as hell cooking. For y'all that do not know what I am cooking a sourdough. Shut the fuck up. I am cooking a sourdough. What is it? French toast. Yeah. Come on, beach.
Oh man,
It is not wanting to cooperate. Fuck. Well, then we get the cinnamon and sugar, ghetto sugar. We need a spoon. We got a spoon. And yeah, put a little bit of sugar in there like that. Ignore his bitch ass. He's mad because he ain't getting none. And then we put the cinnamon in it. Okay.
Stir it up.
And then we stir it. Oh yeah, it's looking good now. Oh yeah. What you know about that? What you know about that? Alright, I'm good. Oh, and for the ingredients you missed, you need an egg and milk.
Oh man,
And you put the egg, crack into a bowl, use the milk, cinnamon, sugar, and vanilla if you got it. I use vanilla yogurt. Ooh, little fancy trick. And you take your sourdough bread, you dip it in the batter somehow, because this is a big ass piece of bread. So you do each side, each corner, I guess. Fuck it. Oh yeah, that's the stuff right there, and it soaks all that shit up. And you plop it down your pan. Bam! And you let it cook. Yeah. I'll come back on and show y'all when it's done.